Welcome everyone. Today I am thinking of doing some exercise on estimation, because estimation is something that we have done for addition. Estimation we have done, I think we covered subtraction in one of the classes. And today I am thinking of doing, taking this estimation a little further. Because why? Estimation is something that you use in your daily lives. Like you have to buy 5 items, you would just mota, you will find out, okay, I should carry 500 rupees and this job would be taken care. But what if I ask you, this we will discuss a while later. Okay, अभी इसको हम बाद में बात करेंगे. Take it away. Okay. Now I have a few questions here. Here, you see here 88 multiply 54. Now we have 98 multiply 27, 76 multiply 42, 88 multiply 88. Now, if we come across this kind of questions, what will be our first instinct? Reach out for a calculator, right? Or at least if not the calculator, we will reach out for pen and paper, right? We will say,
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let us go grab pen and paper and we will do some calculation. We can figure it out.
Yes.
Every one of you can. But
Crisscross, you can figure it out.
yes, there are so many ways. We have discussed those ways and we will discuss it in coming classes. If we need revision, we will do it. But today, what I want to show you is the power of estimation. Like doing some calculation on the fly. Immediately you say, 88 multiply 54, how fast we can do it? Like that. And to begin with, let us calculate how long it takes for the sunlight to reach Earth from the sun.
Sir, 8 minutes.
Okay, but how did you calculate that? That is great.
No, sir. I know that.
You know that because it is in your memory and
Yes,
it is
sir.
taking up some RAM.
And we can
Look, Kavi. If it is in your memory, that means it is taking up some space in your memory. And if it is taking up that space, and that space could be used for some other thing, like remembering friends' birthdays, your mom's favorite color, and many things. So let us release that memory and we will use that memory for some other thing. Today we will calculate.
My mom's favorite color.
Okay, we will take another approach. See, if you can remember, fine, but I can't remember a thing. And this guy, ask him his birthday, he won't remember his birthday. What is your birthday?
I don't know.
He doesn't remember his birthday. My goodness. क्या यार? तेरा birthday निकल गया. It is finished.
2012, I was born. This much I know.
Look. Anyway, so today let us calculate how long it takes for sunlight to reach the Earth. And yes, Kavi has already given us that it takes 8 minutes. Okay. So let us see if we can come to 8 minutes or not. Now, how fast can we calculate it?
So
What inputs we need?
So we need the.
One LDR and
We
one
will
meter.
listen to what he is saying. Yes, Vita.
So first we need the speed of light.
Perfect. We need how fast is the light? How fast is the light? Speed of
And
light.
then we
Perfect.
need, yeah, and then we need to know how much distance is the Earth from the sun.
Yes, you are very right. So can you look these two information up on internet and find out how far is the sun from Earth and how fast is the light? But do you know the formula of time? How will you calculate? I will give you one idea.
So
You know,
maybe you
okay.
can.
Yeah, go ahead, tell me. Yes.
Like, you can multiply or add the speed of light and or something like that.
Okay, fine. This is where, no problem, that is fine. That is fine. I will give you one idea, and I have spoken to you about measurements, right? When we did measurement class, we spoke about it. You know the units, you know the units, right? What is the unit of speed? Let us do it both ways. Can you get a wiper? Let us clean this
Yes.
and create some. Do you know the
Kilometers per hour, meters per
Perfect.
second.
You will know the formula yourself. I don't remember formula, but what you say, the speed is kilometer per hour. Okay. So here is the formula of the speed.
So the speed of light is 299,790.
Correct. We will write it here. I will remove this. We will write it again. These
So
are multiplication. We will do it. Estimation of multiplication. Now
so
we will
the
do
speed
two
of
things.
light is 299,792,458 meters per second,
Fine.
and the distance from Earth to Sun is 151.18 million kilometers.
Okay.
18, I mean.
So I will do the same thing here. 1 minute. We will calculate this. So the speed of light is fairly simple, 300,000 kilometers per second. I will write here. In kilometers, it is very easy. 300,000 kilometers per second. This
Sir,
is the
all I know that is the light is the fastest thing anybody has known.
yes, it is. How far is the sun? 150 million kilometers. 150 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it okay?
93 million miles. That's huge.
Yes, sir, I kept the speed of light and the distance in the chat.
Correct. Yes.
Yes.
How many times it is? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 1,000 times. So
Yes.
it is 500 times more, no?
Yes. Approximately.
Yeah, approximately.
So this is 300,000 kilometers per second, and it is 150 million kilometers. Unit 10,000 million, 150 million. Now using this, can you calculate how long it takes? Now what you will need is the formula, right? Here you will need a formula. Not who remembers the
50
formula?
times.
It is
50. 50
300.
seconds. 50 seconds. No.
300,000 kilometers
Yes.
is the distance, and 150. It is per second. In 1
Yeah.
second, it travels that much, and the distance it has to travel is 150 million kilometers. 150 million kilometers. Now we don't know
So
the formula of the speed.
should you divide?
No. Don't worry about that at all. So the process is, you just don't remember the formula. You remember the units. Okay. You remember the units. Kilometer per second. Okay. So this is kilometer per second, 300,000. So, and this is kilometer. And what we need is seconds. See, answer what you need. You want to remove the kilometers. What you need is second. So how do you get?
Sir, I think I can get it now.
Yeah, kilometer per second to and kilometers. These are the two units you have. And how do you get seconds?
Sir,
Why?
I think you have to divide
Yeah.
150
Yes.
whatever
Yes.
that number is
Yes.
by the kilometers per second.
Perfect. The issue here is you see, when you need to get the formula, you get the formula from units. This is the idea I am trying to get it across to you. Units are kilometer per second and kilometer. You have to get rid of kilometers. Only seconds you need. But if you multiply, second would be down. So you need second up. That means you divide. Simply you say, how do I get second up? Here it is kilometer per second, so it is kilometer. You divide 150,000 by this. Or there is another way, distance is equal to speed multiply time.
So that is a DST formula.
Or you simply remember you are traveling in a car. Speed is kilometer per hour, right? And you have to multiply it with hour in order to get rid of this hour. Then only you will get kilometer. So from here you make your own formula. So distance in kilometer is equal to speed multiply time, because if you multiply, then only you will get rid of this hour. And now we have to get rid of seconds. Okay, so what we need is time. So distance divided by speed. And what is the distance? This is the distance and this is the speed. Now estimation, how long? Simply get rid of zeros first. And then it is 3 and 15. And don't sit coolly, because we are going to do this calculation in miles. Huh? In kilometer, it is very easy. अभी माइल में करेंगे, माइल पर आवर, तब देखना. अभी तो किलोमीटर है. It is only 30 and 150. Get the calculator and do it. Yeah.
It's 50. If you divide, it's 50.
3 and 2. No, 1500.
Sir,
1500. 150 million. It is 150 million. Million means 6 zeros. So it is, and out of 6 zeros, 5 zeros you remove. Okay, you remove 5 zeros. So how long? It is 1500 remaining.
yes.
1500 divide by 3. 500. 500 seconds. How many minutes?
500 seconds. Then you have to do 500 divided by 60, because 60 seconds in 1 minute.
And if you have to estimate 500 divided by 50, 10 minutes, approximately 10 minutes.
Yes.
If you want to bluff your way, approximately 10 minutes, right? This is estimation.
So I think it's something between
No, divide by 60, that
5
is also
and
fine.
10.
Yeah. So it is
Because cannot
8.3.
completely become,
Divide by
because
3.
it can completely become 5.
Yes. So how much it is? 1500 divided by 3. This is the time it takes. Now, will you ever remember that time? You can cheat your way to examination, because you don't need to remember anything.
500.
No, 1500 divided by 3. It is 500 seconds. Divide by 60. It is 8.33 minutes. That is all. 8.33 minutes.
But actually, the speed of the light here, we just put it across the DST formula and we can.
You can do it. But if you remember DST formula, that is fine. But that space you could use for remembering your birth date.
I don't use it for.
But he remembers DST formula. DST, distance is equal to speed multiply time. Huh? That is also okay. Now, do you want to do this application in miles per hour?
Yes,
Now-
yes.
Yes.
Okay, let us have fun and let us calculate how many miles is sun from Earth. Because 1500 divided by 3 was fairly easy. Let us do it in miles and still check, can we do it by estimation? Okay. Now, how many miles is the sun? I have the data here and we will check it here. Okay. I will write. Avi, can you write here?
So
1 minute.
1.6093 kilometers is 1 mile.
Yes.
Here.
It is 92,960, 92 million. 92 960, 130, approximately this much. And you can write 186, 282. 186, 282. Now this is scary.
Oh, no. It's not that scary. I can do it easily.
I think it's a
Now this is the calculation. This is in miles
Yes.
and this is the speed of light.
This is the speed of
Yes,
light.
d s t. Now we want is time is equal to distance divided by speed. So this is the distance in miles. This is the time.
18 into 5. The divisor into 5. It will become 90.
Oh, this
Okay.
way they can calculate how far is it.
Now this is the question it is coming to. Now can we estimate this calculation?
Yes.
186,282 miles per hour, and this is the distance. Now we have to figure out how to divide it without using calculator. 186, 282 miles per, this is miles per second, and 92,000, this is miles. Now the idea here is this: when you come across this kind of a situation, how do you divide this? It is a scary 186,282, and this is 92,960,130. This is very scary. So what you do is this 130 remove. Here this 130 treat it as 0. Okay, can we think like these are 0, 0, 0?
Okay.
Just estimation. We are just making estimates now, and we can make 0, 0, 0. 282 also we can consider it as 0 for now, like rounding it down. Because it is 130, it is close to 1000, so we round it down. If it were 930, we would round it up. For now, we round it down because 130 is closer to the base 1000. So we make it 0. Here also 0. So these 3 zeros can take care of these 3 zeros in division or not?
Yes.
Right? These 3 gone. Now you see the situation is becoming very easy now. It is only 186. Divide by 186 divide by 92,960. That's all.
Yeah.
186 divide by this. And why 186? This you see 960. We can round it up.
93,000 we can make it.
Correct. Now we can make it 93,000. Okay. And
93,000.
yes, this is 190. Now only you have to do is 186, 930,000. Approximately you can see 186 is 5 times 930. Simple, 50. 5, 0, 0. Only this you see 186 is multiply 5 times.
0,
5 times,
So
18 will become 90.
yes, approximately. We are just making approximation. 18 is become 90, absolutely right. And 6 will become how much? 30. So 186 multiply 5. So you have 500 here. 500 seconds. That's all. Bang on. 8.3 seconds.
8.33 infinite.
Just by estimation, we have come to that. And earlier we have used calculator to do it. 500 seconds, huh? And 500 seconds is how much? 8.3 minutes, 8.3 minutes.
Oh, miss.
Kavi, we have bettered your estimate. Huh?
minutes.
You told us 8 minutes and we have calculated it to first decimal point, 8.3 by estimation.
8 minutes.
So
33
you,
seconds.
Yes.
so you use the calculator for that.
33.33
No, no.
milliseconds.
500 we can divide by 60. Don't worry about it. 500 divided by 60 is not used. Yes, I did use calculator, but we can do it manually. also.
Manually.
Otherwise, you will say 8 minutes. 8 minutes is good. So you get, you like this idea 186, and here we removed 3 digits and made it shorter. Okay.
How we
should-
can
So you're basically rounding off down so that you can
yes,
make it
rounding out down and rounding up. When it was 192,
That's
we
the whole
rounded it
point
down.
of estimation.
That way, it helps us in making, this big question is smaller. Okay, I will give you one more example. Okay, then you will appreciate the advantage. This you can use in real life, right now. When you are coming across big division problem, you say, okay, I can handle it by taking care, rounding up, and still you will be quite close. Depends how much round up or round down you do it. Okay, now I will give you another example. Let us say away जो मैंने प्रिंट किए थे पेपर्स को देना फटाफट. 1 minute. Now I will give you some examples. Now let us say we want to divide $289. Okay. Now let us divide it with 5. I am taking these exercises from some book. 357. Now it is 289, 510, 2357.
So you can remove 357.
Yeah. First, let us see what we can do with this 289.
I'm telling remove 357
Yeah.
because it's
But
more closer to 1000.
Okay.
289 is closer to 300.
300. So we make it 300 here. This is okay. Now what Kavi suggested is 357. We can make it 000, and we will keep it away. We will take it later. Now only this is remaining 5102. And what we can do with 5102?
So you can remove 2 also. 2 also you can
Yeah.
remove.
Yes.
So
And yes, the issue here is how close you want to go. You are sacrificing accuracy, You are removing and rounding it up, down. You are sacrificing some accuracy, but it is not that much. So try, and how close you can get to the exact answer.
So, but estimation can be used in, just say you have to do some rocket launch and you have to keep some parts, and you can't use this estimation.
yeah, because then it will like the small
Yes.
changes will make a whole, like it will make a big.
You are
Yeah,
right,
that's
but
what happened in
everything
Thailand.
cannot be used everywhere. When you are out shopping, you have to make food, then you don't go for accurate estimation. But when you are launching a rocket, of course it has to be accurate, right? But when you are doing some life jobs, there you can get away with estimation. Like you have to go somewhere and you have to do shopping. You will carry 1,000 rupees. Okay, approximately 890. I will take 1,000, like that. But it cannot be used everywhere. This, you are very right. You are right. Your observation is right. We cannot use it in precise applications. But in daily lives, we cannot go around taking papers. This is some skill that finds its application. Not everywhere.
So,
One tool cannot be used everywhere. So we have to have specific tools for a specific application. This tool finds application in some places. So you find where you can use it. Okay, now you tell me.
yes, sir. So, we use estimation to make life easy.
Sometimes,
We
some
don't need
cases.
such a big.
No. So where you have to do surgery, where you have to do precision applications, no. But here you see, 300 is here, okay? Now you see, this is a big equation. But why not you simply say it is 5100, like you said, very right. Now 5100 can be divided by 3 or not? 17 is the answer straight away. 3 sevens are 15, 2 zeros goes here. Now you bring back your thousands. 17,000.
You can also eliminate the 2 zeros.
Which
So,
ones?
and you can eliminate the 2 zeros in 300
Yes.
and 2 zeros in.
Perfect. Yes, 2 zeros is here, 2 zeros here.
Then
So
it's
you-
easy to multiply.
So,
Yeah,
and now
so-
you do one thing.
And then but then you have to bring back the 1000 zero.
Thousands here, 17,000. Okay. Now 17,000 is our answer approximately. Let us see what is the accurate answer. Can you check with calculator how much is the accurate and how far we are from the accurate? Let us do it. 51. Oh, let me calculate. 5102 357 divide by 289. 17,655. And we came to 17,000 in 2 seconds, 2-3 seconds, very quickly. By eliminating this, making it 300, 300, 3 sevens are 317, 1700. Very quickly you could come approximately 17,000. Right? This way. Suppose somebody is making this money in 300 days. Imagine his salary is this 51 million, 2,000, how much it is? Unit 10,000, 510,000, no, 5,102,357 in 1 year he is making, say 1 year. So every day how much he is earning? Suppose this is the question. So you can approximate 17,000.
$17 or whatever.
But it is huge money, huh?
17,000 actually.
Yes. So approximately, you know, my goodness, 17,000, it is much enough. Abhi hai, theek hai, chalo. Like you go to Google and they say, okay, so this year we will offer you $5,102,357 as salary for 1 year. So you immediately calculate in your head, every day I will be earning $17,000. Ah, okay, yes, I will join you.
So, but it's very hard to go to Google. That's why it's very hard.
But the question is, in an interview, if you can figure out quickly 17,000 per day, Google is going to hire you because you are a very quick thinking person. See, how many people can calculate this so quickly, 17,000 per day? 17,000 is huge money, really. I don't think Google will get this money. You guys will get it.
Per day.
Okay, we will take up another example. The same thinking, huh? So this has certain applications. It cannot be used everywhere. You are very right. I'm not arguing about it. I'm just saying you find application. If you find application like this, quickly calculate and do the job. If you find accurate, then go for accuracy like that. We will do one more application. Like you say here, 51,000, we could do it very easily. Now we will do another one. 17,000 per day, my goodness. What people do with this kind of money? Okay.
They'll be as rich as kings, sir.
I don't know. Okay, now we do this much. It is interesting. Now
So
we
can
will
you
see.
do a really hard sum? Like some
Okay, I know. I will give you some examples, but nothing is really hard. Don't worry about it. See, there are the questions have various levels of complexity. That's all. Right? Now, here. Suppose this is the question. Now, how we go about it?
For
13.
estimation,
Yes, estimation, and then we will do it accurately and we see how far we are off.
the 213, we can make that 000.
So we round it
so
down.
instead of doing that, we can just make it 55,000.
Perfect.
Because
Because
Yeah.
it is 449. Absolutely right. 55,000. So 1,000 I will keep here. And 13, how many times in 55? 13 fours are
Sorry,
50, 13 4 and 2, is it?
52.
52. Yes,
2.
52. Then 3, 0, 13 twos are
Yeah,
26.
26. So around 4.
42,000. 42,000.
42,000.
42,000.
So very quickly, instantly we calculated. So this instant calculation, this is a way to immediately find out how much it is. So this does two jobs. One, then the big number stops scaring you because you can round it down, round it up, and immediately. This is division, division calculations.
So this time, we don't want you to explain. We'll do it on our own.
Okay, I will give you one example, and then you try yourself.
Yes.
Round it up and suppose we have this one 203,637. Did we do this one before? No. 800 no. 8329483. $203,637.
So you should divide 200 by 833.
Yes. 4. Approximately, it is coming to 336. 336 and 1 7. 7 digits divided by 7. First is 10.
No, what I did was I removed 637. Then I
Correct.
rounded down to 3. So it became 200. So I
Correct.
got 200. Now I'm
200.
rounding.
This one.
Now I'm rounding 9,483 up. So
Okay.
it'll become 833, and then I'll remove the zeros.
Okay, even 3 you remove 800. 200, 800 is 40.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect.
I'm not able to hear you. I think someone else back then has gotten unmuted because I'm like the background noise.
I will see. 1 minute. Today's kids are very smart because in our class, I don't mute or unmute anyone. Everybody is free to unmute themselves. And we kind of self-discipline ourselves. Our classes are the best because nobody makes any noise, nothing. But sometimes by mistake it happens.
Yes, sir.
Now it is okay.
Sir, if you come
He is
to
a
our
very
class,
little
you run
boy.
away.
He is a younger brother of, a cousin brother of Shashwat. He has started going to school, but he sees Shashwat all the time. So he says, I want to become scientist like Shashwat. This is why he is in the class. Pramod Rawat, this guy. Hello. Anshi, please stay quiet. Huh? Because other kids are disturbed. He wants to play big boys game. Okay, now, so this is all. I think now you can carry it out yourself onward. Would you try to do some more experiments on your own? Make up some questions and then try how far or how close you are from the estimate that way. Should we try some multiplication examples like this?
Yes.
Like I started with, same way, you say 98 multiply 27. Okay, then you say how quickly it will be, like you are out to buy something.
Approximately 2,700.
Perfect. Yes.
Because 98, you can round it to 100, and
Yes.
then you just do 27 into 100, which is 2,000.
Yes, this is 100 and you make it 300 rupees you take and you can buy 27 items, each costing 98. So this is real life application for this approximately. So you are not worried about exact money. You will carry 300 and it will take care of. Now suppose you say 76 multiply 42. Actually, accurately you can do. We have discussed crisscross before, right? You can do it, but if one book costs 76, you want to buy 42 books for your class. Approximately how much money we should carry? The teller at the checkout counter, they will tell you exact how much money, but just how much money we should carry. That's all. 76, 42. So,
Sir, is
You can
my calculation correct? Is it 2986828 divided by 862890101? So is the answer correct?
no,
So
I lost that question now. We are doing multiplication this time. We have moved on to multiplication now.
Yes, sir. But can I just
Check it with calculator. I won't remember that.
Hmm.
You
maybe
can check it
write
with
it on
calculator.
the board?
You can check it with calculator.
Yes.
Please. Huh?
So for this multiplication one, the 76, you can make it into 80.
Yes, you can make it into 80. Yes, and 42.
42, you can make it into 40. So then it will be
8
30.
double.
32,000. No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you are right.
3,200.
Simply double and double one more time.
So 3,200.
So if you take 3,200, this much. Can you calculate accurately how much it is and how far off we are?
3,100.
76 multiply 42 is 3,192. My goodness, you are very close. Look, 3,192 and
Only by
3,200. Yes. Anshi, you can use calculator. Yes, use calculator. Okay, do the same sums. Okay, now let us do, and we are very close now. Now, can we do, say, these are called back of the envelope calculations. You are sitting somewhere just doing rough calculations. Like instead of landing on the moon, you don't end up at Mars like that.
Yes, sir. Just
Like
estimate.
we were talking about landing. Yes, estimation will give you that much power. Instead of you want to land on the moon, you will not land on the moon.
Just say you
That is-
just keep just one more. Just say the Earth to Moon is 868. Just say it's 10,000.
Yes.
for
approximately.
88 into 88, you can make 88, both of them into 90. So then 90 into 90 is 8,100.
So
And
just say
calculate accurately. Yes, yes, go ahead.
so just say the Earth to Moon is 10,000, and you take Earth to Mars. It just say it's 90,000.
Yes.
Just say you add a 0 by mistake, and then you notice that, and you make it like add a 1 by the side. So just say it becomes 9. So it
Yes.
becomes 90,000. So you end up landing on Mars instead of.
But if you aim for the moon and land up at Mars, my goodness, it is a very good mistake.
Yes.
That's good actually.
अरे कह देंगे ना कहीं तो लैंड करा ना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. It is fine. Okay, see, accurate, exactly it was 7,744 and our answer came 8,100 because 88 we rounded up to 90 like that. So this is another application of this. So there is many applications. Okay.
So it
Yes.
should be around 8,100 before
Mhm.
88 because I think it's 8,100 because we rounded off to 90 and then 90
Yes, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. Yes,
becomes
you are right.
9 and then 9 into 9 is 81, and then 81 plus 2. is
You are right. You are right. Sorry. 489. Now this is a little bigger one. Again, estimation.
So 90, 489 becomes 90, and then it becomes 49, and then you round that off to 50.
मेरी जाने मन जाने मेरी जाने.
So,
Yes. Okay.
so
51,276 people in the town.
first can we do the
25,73,964.
And 489 rupees we have to give everybody. How much money we need? You are a mayor of
Okay,
the-
so just say that we take it as 50 rupees because 489 becomes 490, and then it becomes 49, and then it becomes 50.
Yes. No, total how much you are getting and how without
Yes,
using
sir.
calculator.
I'm not using calculator. So
Yeah,
it
how
becomes
much you are
50.
getting?
First it becomes 490,
Okay.
then it becomes 49,
Okay.
then it becomes 50.
Okay.
So,
So you are keeping 5 here
yeah,
and 2
so
zeros
it
you are
becomes-
keeping away. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now here.
The answer is
here
25 lakh 73,964.
Sir,
This one?
it's 576. So
Okay. You are taking it 50,000 straight away.
no, sir, I'm not making it 50,000. I'm making 76 into 3. I make it this
Okay.
300.
76. Okay. Okay. 300.
I make this 300.
Uh-huh.
So then it becomes 513.
Yes.
Then I round down to 500, and it becomes 5.
Okay. Yes, that is also an approach. But you see, the most significant digit is 5. After that is 1. So you can do away with all the other calculations. Straight away you see 1 here. That means all rest you round it down to 5. You know,
Yes,
this
sir,
is
but
called
my
most
calculation is
significant. No,
obviously
that
gonna
is
be
fine.
wrong.
Your approach is good. You are approaching it this way. It is fine. But just alternative approach I am giving. You see most significant digit and then next most significant. Because here you see most significant is 4. Next is 8. Oh, so it is very close. So simply leave, don't have to tackle 9. Straight away make this 9. Make this 5. You know, like that. So go attack the most significant digit and next digit you take care of. So this is how you can experiment with it. See, I don't want you to practice everything here. I'm just giving you an idea. Because see, mathematics is not like doing mathematical operations. How fast we can do, how good we can do. It is about application of those ideas.
Yes,
See,
sir.
so application now we know this can be used there. So whenever you need, you use it. You know, like we have a saying, jahan kaam aaye sui kaam, wahan pe you cannot use a sword. Where you can use a needle. So needle has its own uses, sword has its own uses. So you find use of this particular idea. You will find many ideas,
everything has a
many
use.
applications. Yes.
Everything has a use.
Everything, yes. So that way you find the use, but you practice this idea. So whenever you have these tools, you have to arrange these, and you know, I must use crisscross now, I must use base 10 now, I must use estimation now, like that. So these are just the ideas I present to you so that you can use it as per the demand. You are the decision maker. You decide. You say, I don't want to round it up to this digit. I will round up only this. Your decision. You are the user. So
Sir,
these are just the tools.
So next class, can we do HCF and LCM?
That we will see. We will see how we can. Generally, we can do HCF and all, but we have to find some real life application for that. This is why we did some divisibility problems. This is where we will go. We are going there. We will take up that idea. Good. Your
Yes, sir.
suggestion is good, and there are many real life applications for HCF and LCMs. Very many applications, huge
Yes, sir.
applications,
So
and we will do that. Yes, this is
so
good idea.
You're basically changing the most significant digit.
Yes, yes.
So
Most,
just
and
to
then
make
one
it
less,
go,
most significant, and then the next one that way.
yeah. So down, when I play, we play a game called dodgeball. So there'll be a person in the middle, or there'll be people in the middle, and then there'll
Okay.
be people around a circle that they draw.
Uh-huh.
And then they have to throw a ball, and
Yes.
they have to make the ball hit that person.
Uh-huh.
So there are some good players. So whenever we play that, I feel like when the best player is out, I feel like the big chocolate is gone.
That happens, yes. So this is
Yeah,
one
so I'm
idea.
thinking of chocolates now.
Yes. No, you can go for any real kind, any example that suits your fancy. Now I have one. See, the idea is not knowing how much mathematical operations we know. Everybody knows their arithmetic, but how many can really use it? People use mathematics only for what? For answering exam questions, right? When some question comes, oh, we are ready for mathematics. No, mathematics should always be with us. Whenever we find application, we use it. So now you have these two tools. Find your own questions and then apply it and see how far we are from the estimate. And then you will gain more confidence in it. Okay, now enough of this. Is a really brain storming exercise. And now we are closing. We are inching very close to 1 hour now. It has taken 1 hour today. My goodness, it is too much.
Sir, exactly. Whenever we want to do something, the time runs. Whenever we do our homework, time works.
Okay, now I will give you one fun idea. Okay, it is geometry. Take a paper, make 3 dots. One here, one here, one here. Equal distance, huh? Equal distance. 3 dots at equal distance you make.
So you have to do approximately.
No,
you can't do.
If you have a graph paper, use it. If you have a scale, measure out, say 5 centimeters, then 5 centimeters again. Your choice. Now we know we are not going to do any serious thing now, huh? Because when it is time to go back to home after class, I want to leave you in high spirits. No more serious arithmetic now. Either I give you fun exercise when you walk in or when you walk out. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, same distance, huh? And same distance we represent like this. This is equal to, say, this one. Okay, like this. Okay, now we will make, okay, 3 points you have made. Now here you know that those distance between this and this is same, huh? You know it. Now we will make something that will make you question yourself. Did I make a mistake? Okay, make a triangle here. Make a triangle here. And make a triangle here.
So we have to make triangles at every dot.
Yes, you have to make triangles every dot. And now see yourself, distance between this and this, and distance between this and this, is it the same?
No,
So,
sir.
You have made it yourself now. See, you have made it yourself on your paper. Same distance here, same distance here. Here you made this, here you made this. Now this appears bigger.
Yeah, so I remember there was one Akbar Birbal story where a person comes and says, Birbal, I have this stick, and without adding some more stick or cutting the stick, you have to make it longer.
Yes.
So Birbal goes somewhere. He asks his servant, can you please get me a shorter stick? And then he keeps that shorter stick next to
Next
the
to it. Very
longer
good.
stick. So that's the way only to make a longer stick short.
But here we
mean,
did not
shorter
change
stick
anything.
long.
We did not put anything bigger here. But here you see this distance and this distance is same, but this distance is looking bigger.
Oh, it's looking bigger because see, for this line on one side, we've drawn the triangles facing inwards. So the
Yes.
space between them, it feels more, I mean less. But on this side, we made the opening face outwards. So
Outward.
then it looks more like it looks bigger.
Yes, it is just an illusion. But
Yeah.
imagine this kind of thoughts can be applied in architecture. This geometry can be used in many places where you have a small shop and you want to make it look bigger. But here you see, you are now questioning yourself, what I did I measure it accurately? Now this distance is looking shorter and this distance is looking bigger. This is a self-created illusion. You created it yourself, right? Okay, you have a divider, this Parkar. Okay, make a circle with this. Because now we are not going to do any serious thing. We are just going to have this fun exercise. And this is also mathematics. Don't think that mathematics is only doing application of calculation and all this. Simply make a circle. Say you make a circle of 80 millimeters. Or say radius is 50 millimeters, or maybe take 3 inches, 4 inches. Make a 4-inch circle, whatever size you want. Make 2 circles, one here and same size here, like this. Now you will start questioning yourself again. How? Okay, make 2 circles of the same size on a paper. Right? And once you are done, you can make a circle, same size, same dimensions, whatever dimension, 2 circles you make.
Sir, I have an explanation for the before problem. So a
Explanations are
triangle-
very critical. Yes, go ahead, please. Okay, explain.
Triangle takes up space. Wherever it is, it has to take up a little bit of space.
Yes, it does.
So when you do the triangles next to each other, it's taking up space, a little bit of space.
Yes.
So just say the distance between the dots is 10 centimeters. Both of the
Yes.
dots. So when we
Now
draw
make
a-
circle like this. Okay, go ahead, you continue, no problem. We are not having any serious thing now. We are eager to listen to your explanation.
So I think if the triangle, it takes up space between the 10 and
The first 2
10
points.
centimeters.
Yes.
Yeah. So when we move it back, it's not taking in the second place, when we move it back, it's not taking up any space inside this line.
Inside the line. Yes, you are very right.
So
Very
it doesn't
clever.
look
Yes, it does. It
like
looks
it's
bigger.
watching
Yes.
TV somewhere else.
Yes, it is looking away from us. When you have 2 circles, simply make this kind of corona from it spraying out. Okay, make more, whatever. See, when we are asked to make a drawing in our school, we will make a drawing like this.
What are
Right.
you building?
Everybody, this is national drawing of India. Why don't we make different kind of drawing? Now this is where we have made a drawing. Okay,
Oh,
so you
made a
have to,
coronavirus.
you have two circles. One circle you make like this, the rays coming out. Another one, see, now you know you have made two same dimension circles. You know it, right? Now you will start questioning yourself. अरे यार कहीं गलती तो नहीं कर दिया, कहीं प्रकार हिल तो नहीं? Okay, now you do one thing, make it this way. कौन सा बड़ा है बताओ?
Sir, it looks like as if Corona is attacking itself.
Now you see, this is looking smaller and this is looking bigger.
Small.
That's because the lines on one circle is going out and then one is going in.
Yes, but you
So-
make these two circles and then find your favorite friend and make a bet. 500 rupees yours. 100%. Ask. ये बड़ा है कि ये बड़ा है? I don't know. Okay. ये बड़ा है. Okay. 500 dirham, 500 rupees bet.
No, sir. The moment your friend will see the thing, he'll say, "Go to hospital. Go to hospital."
And then you can actually measure it. You can actually measure it and demonstrate it to them that these are actually same. Because you have drawn it and I have told you the trick already and you have created this trick, so it is easier. But for any other person, you show this drawing and ask them which one is bigger and then see their reaction.
Yes, sir. I think this one is bigger because we see these sports
So
and
this is
they look
illusion. Yes,
part
it is an
of
illusion
this
that you have
circle.
created yourself. This
Yes,
is,
sir.
yes,
So
you have
the-
created this illusion. So there could
so
be
those
many such
spikes
like this.
on the balls,
Yes.
they look as with the part of the circle.
Yes.
So when they take space, you think it's making a larger
Yes.
circle.
Yes. Experiment
you
it
see
with your
this-
friends, show it to them and see their reaction. What they figure it out what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
Not many people who are inclined with, mathematics is logic and reasoning. This is what I keep telling people, that this is logic and reasoning. We have to learn how to apply the logic. The way you have figured out why this is bigger. It is a great
So look at mine.
look here.
Oh,
It is looking bigger. Yes, you are right. But you are
I
applying
have the same look
reasoning
on the
to it.
whiteboard.
Very good. But you are applying reasoning to it. That is the best part. But if you go grab 10 people, they would not think from reasoning point of view. They would think from, arithmetic point of view, calculation, traditional point of view. They would say, nahi yaar, ye bada hai, ye chota hai.
बड़ा ही छोटा है.
Find one person daily and you have your pocket money guaranteed. 500 rupees every day. Start betting. And and one or two times let them win. Make one smaller and make one bigger and let them win. They say, oh yes, I can win. This is how Yudhishthir lost all the money, all his position. Gambling.
Gambling, what is the meaning of
And
gambling?
today I was thinking of taking up probability and what again? Combination. Where is that? Where is our design that we have created? We were thinking of doing some combination exercises today, but we ended up here. Okay, we will see. Give me that one, the one that we created.
Oh, it is heavy. Ouch, my
This
leg.
one. This one, this is a paradox, or this is some drawing that you have created for yourself. This is what one of last time I told you to bring graph paper, right? This graph paper was mainly for making this one yourself. You could create it. Like you see here, there is no space. There is no space. Everything is covered. Okay, but
So
we can
it's very
create.
easy.
Space
Yes.
here. Square.
Okay,
I will do
now
it
you
for
do
you.
it.
Give me.
This you can create yourself. These are mathematical experiments and projects that you can do yourself. So remember one time I asked you to bring graph paper, print
Yes.
graph paper. It was for this, but somehow we are not able to do it. When we have time, we will do this exercise on a graph paper, or I will make a video. You make it yourself.
Sir,
You can watch the video.
will you try one thing on the
Yes,
small
I'm just
triangle
making
thing?
it. Just a second.
Yes.
So instead of keeping the red one at the bottom, you keep
Mhm.
the blue one at the bottom and the red one on the
Yes.
top.
Yeah, that is fine. The idea is to help you make it yourself.
There you go. We have
Now
created
you have a
space.
space here.
Yes, sir. That's what I was thinking too.
Now you have a space in the same geometry, but this you can create out of cardboard also, because not everyone has to go for a printing and make it. You can create this from cardboard and from using a graph paper.
You can
This is
use
space.
paper actually too, sir.
This is
And now give me that one, the other one, the triangle. Show me. Yes.
It's heavy.
And then we created one more. These are for our classes. So I keep, because we end up using it many times. This is why we print it. You can create it out of paper. I will make a separate video where I will give you dimensions, where to cut and how to use it. And this
Sir,
square
you
will
keep the
disappear.
paper airplane.
Yes. This space will disappear. When you rearrange it, this will go like that. This is all, a
So,
lot of mathematics
I
is
have an
involved
idea
in
for
it.
rearrangement.
Okay.
So if you, I'm not telling this one, I'm telling the other one.
This is
Yes.
also simple.
So there are many other arrangements possible, and we will
can you-
make a video, or in another class we will take up. But you need graph paper so that you can cut it accurately. Yes, Kavi, tell me. This one. You are talking about this one?
Yes, sir. So,
Okay.
no, sir, the before one, after one, I mean.
Okay, the triangle. Okay.
Yeah, the other isosceles triangle.
Uh-huh.
Here it is.
Yes.
So there are the red ones you can keep on the top.
Yes, we can move it to the top. Yes. Okay, I will remove it. Yes, we can move
And
it to
then
the
these
top.
green ones you can keep it at the bottom.
Yes, okay, we will do it. This is what experiments are about. You know, we have this, and when we are doing our classes, then we can play here that way. But unfortunately, over online classes, we can't do it. But in our maker space, we do it all the time. You are very right. Yes, your observation is right. See, the space goes.
Oh, wait.
You are very right.
Space is coming in here. See
Yes.
this line, this misalignment.
And this is the mathematics behind it is Fibonacci numbers, the one that we discussed that time, Fibonacci series, that one. We will explain it when we take up this one. So once you have
So
the graph
what's
paper, you can
called?
cut it, you know, this distance,
What's
and
it
then cut
called,
it.
sir?
This one is basically it is an illusion and a mathematical puzzle. Nothing. These are
So,
geometrical
but I have a
pieces.
doubt. I have
what
a
happened?
doubt that you can keep it as like homework.
Man, free of
So
this is
when we arrange it in a different order, why
Uh-huh.
will the gap come? Why will the
Where
gap?
where does it go? That's where the
Where will it-
mathematics is involved.
Yeah, where will the gap come and
Yes,
then
yes,
why
yes.
will the gap come?
Actually
Yeah.
comes here. See, I will do the rearrangement when the space
Okay.
goes away. Simply we just keep it here.
You are right. What he's asking, where does the space go? You show it to him. Where does the space
Show
go?
him, and here it is, and you can see this misalignment here.
A little bit of.
Sir,
That one.
It is distributed here.
That is just.
I'm not talking about that, sir. why does the space come? It's the same volume.
No,
It's the same volume.
it has to go somewhere because it
Yes.
cannot be same
Yes.
area. It is just an illusion because that square is here. It is distributed here along this line. There is a little gap, but it is invisible to the eye. It is so small and it is spreading from here to here. This area is equal to the area here, area that got created here. If you make it in a big chart paper, you would figure out. This is why I wanted to do this exercise.
So if you
Unfortunately, the time ran out.
if that space was not there, no gap would come.
Yes, no gap would come. No gap is, it is just distributing. You cannot destroy a space. So the space is there, it is there. You cannot increase the area. You can rearrange pieces, but you cannot increase the area.